Hey guys, it's Dorothy. So one of the biggest questions that I get from people is, oh, my foundation's so cakey. I don't like it. It looks like it's thick. It's settling into my pores and I just don't like how heavy it's looking. Well, let's problem solve that. So when your makeup starts to look cakey, it could be a couple of reasons. This is what I would ask you. Did you use a primer? Primers are so very important. They keep your makeup from settling into the pores and into maybe fine lines and wrinkles, and they keep it right above the skin so you don't have it sinking in. So did you use a primer? And if so, is it the right primer? Is it good? Is it enough? Second, how much are you powdering? Because when you powder, that adds layer on top of layer on top of layer of your skin. And that's how you kind of get a cakey look, is when you've got too much on layered on your skin. My other question would be, if it looks too cakey, maybe it's too much coverage. Maybe you're using a full coverage and you need a buildable coverage, a medium coverage, or maybe you're using a medium coverage and all you need is a BB cream that gives you a light evening out of the skin tone. I would say check out your formula and see if your coverage is too much. If your coverage is, you'll be able to tell if your coverage is too much by taking a sponge, wetting it, and coming back over it and removing some of it. Don't put any foundation or anything on the sponge. Just remove some of it. If your skin looks better after that, then your coverage is probably too heavy. So those would be my 3 questions or tips and tricks for determining why maybe your skin's looking cakey after a while and what you can do to fix that. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And if you need a primer or if you need a different foundation because yours isn't working for you, hop on over to yourmakeupexpert.com, check out what we have. And remember, beauty is already in you. We're just giving you tips and tricks for the fun stuff on the outside.